All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project, interact and Viper contract section of the module. Yesterday we started a new piece of the section, the Titanoboa with Anvil section of the module. So today we're going to look at our contract, see exactly what's going on with that. I told you that we're going to be looking at a new file inside of this folder, which is going to be the deploy favorites.py file. You can see that here. We're not going to go over the deploy file just yet. We're actually going to just go over the terminal and see if everything is still running. As you can see, first and foremost, as you notice, we do have our Anvil up and running. Unlike the Viper file and unlike the deploy favorites PyEVM file, we actually need to use Anvil to actually deploy this contract, because the Viper file can get deployed with the Viper, and the PyEVM file has the load function built into it, so it doesn't need the Anvil. But with this particular file, the deploy favorites, we need the Anvil to deploy it. So we actually ran Anvil first in this terminal, and we opened it a section where we opened the new terminal and we ran a deploy favorites file, as you can see, and everything is running smoothly the way it should. Like I said, we're not going to go over the deploy favorites file just yet. We just want to make sure everything is working the way it should, and it is. So we're going to move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.